So what is a design pattern? A design pattern, one of the earliest examples of this comes from this book, A Pattern Language. And in this book, the authors introduce patterns that are used to solve common problems that people face when designing towns, designing buildings, and even designing individual homes or rooms. This is a quote from the book. They say, each solution is stated in such a way that it gives the essential field of relationship needed to solve the problem, but in a very general and abstract way. So you can solve the problem in your way by adapting it to your preferences and to the local conditions at the place you are making it. So in layman's terms, basically a design pattern is a general, reusable solution to a commonly occurring problem. A design pattern is not the actual implementation itself. It is in fact a description or a template for how to solve a problem that can be used in many different situations. Now, this concept was brought over and adapted into software engineering. One of the most famous books that did this is this book called Design Patterns for Elements of Reusable Object-Oriented Software, written by 4 authors. Oftentimes this is called the Gang of 4. And they introduced several patterns of software in this exact way. So for example, they introduced this concept of a decorator pattern, and then they would give examples on how to implement this. Now you notice here, there's no code here. This is just high-level templates. That way it can be adapted into whatever code and implementation that fits their need. So why are design patterns useful? Well, they create a systematic approach to solving recurring challenges. They promote modular and reusable code base, and they encourage efficient and maintainable code.
If you want to keep learning about how to build real-world apps with the latest technologies and other career-related topics, then start right now by subscribing to our channel and liking this video.